Recently, people have been doing different things to cope. And it'd be a waste to throw out all these bottles. Technically, it's not alcoholism, it's decorating. So first, let's make a jig. Get a pole, cut it in half, and attach it to some wood. And voila, your first jig. Second jig is just as easy. Drill, screw, and attach. And just like that, you're ready to mass produce. First step is to get some adhesive on your bottles. Mod Podge is pretty cost effective. Second step is to apply glitter, and once you're done thoroughly coating, you shake off any excess, and you're done. Time to repeat till you feel you've covered up any underlying issues. If you're sober, you could probably turn out 20 of these in an hour. If you have kids helping you, you're actually probably better off drinking. So eventually this is going to end and we're going to get back to our events. And I know a lot of you party people are going to turn up. So build up that tolerance and get back to decorating. I'm the Level 1 Builder. I'll see you around.